ito 15 over 21 times 3 over 5. Apply ulit natin yung cancellation, yung pwedeng i-divide dito sa 5 and 15. So 5 divide 5, 1. 15 divide 5, 3. Then 3 and 21 pwede rin divide sa 3. 3 divide 3, 1. 21 divide 3, 7. Then 3 times 1, 3. 7 times 1, 7. Another one. 3 over 18 times 7 over 20. So, pwede rin to. 3 and 18. Divide by 3. 3 divide 3, 1. 18 divide 3, 6. So, wala na. 1 times 7, 7. 6 times 20 is 120. Kapag ganito naman, 70, fraction times whole number. 17 over 35 times 5. 17. So, pwede natin i-cancel yung whole number sa denominator. Kasi meron tayo dito imaginary denominator na 1. So, pwede siya sa 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So, 17 over 7. O since the answer is improper, we need to change it into improper fraction. I mean into mixed fraction. O, how many 7 are there in 17? It's 2. 2 times 7, 14. 17 minus 14 is 3. So check this one. 7 times 2, 14 plus 3, 17. Another one. O, ito pwede naman i-divide ulit ito. Cancel. Divide by 6. Pwede rin siya sa 9. Tama, 9. Pwedeng 6, pwedeng 9. So 9 na lang. 18 divide 9, 2. 36 divide 9, 4. So, pwede rin ulit. Pwede pa. 2 at 4. So, pwede dito sa is 2. 2 divide 2, 1. 4 divide 2, 2. 17 times 2. That is 34. O, try nyo naman yan.